Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about fractions as division. We've already touched on this just a little bit. We know that the fraction bar between our numerator and our denominator can double as a division sign. So we use that when we change our improper fractions to mixed numbers, but we can also use that when we're looking at word problems with division. So we're going to use two examples, and then on the back of your paper, I'm going to have you do your own. Okay? So the first one we're going to talk about is we've got 3 brownies and we're going to split them between 2 friends. So we're going to look and see, okay, what is being divided? We're dividing our brownies, not our friends. So we're going to divide each of our brownies into 2. We're going to say person 1, person 2, person 1, person 2, person 1, person 2. So that way we can see who gets each set. So if we look at that, person 1 gets 3 sets, but they're not getting 3 whole brownies. They're getting 3 halves of a brownie. So 3 halves. Now we know that's improper, so we're going to change that to 1 and 1/2. But I want you to look. We've got 3 and 2. Those are the same numbers we had in our problem. Okay? So we've got 3 brownies and 2 friends. Our answer is right there in our problem. We don't even really have to solve anything for this. So if we look at this, we've got 3 quesadillas divided between 4 people. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to divide each quesadilla into 4 sections. Let's say one's a cheese quesadilla, one is a steak quesadilla, and one is a chicken quesadilla, and we all want to have a little bit of each one. So we're going to divide each into 4 sections. We've got person 1, person 1, person 1, person 2, person 2, person 2, and so on. I'm not going to worry about the rest of them. So if I were to look, each person 1, is going to get 3 sections. Now, they're not going to get 3 quesadillas because then we're not sharing evenly. But they are going to get 3/4, which again, 3 quesadillas between 4 people. Our answer is right there. Okay? So on the back of your paper, I want you to do this one. We have 3 pizzas, and they're being split between 8 kids. So I want you to draw your picture, and then I want you to tell me how much of a pizza, not how many slices or anything, we're not worrying about slices, but what fraction of a whole pizza does each kid get if they each get the same amount? All right? And you'll fill out the rest of your form, do this on the back, and I will collect these from you tomorrow.